Welcome to City Cooking.
Oh my goodness, how about a delicious, fresh, oh my goodness, pineapple drink? Fresh. Nothing from a jar or that has been bottled up for days. No,
Or
no, no, no,
canned.
no. Or
No.
canned. No, 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 no,
Mm-mm.
no. Fresh. Fresh as it can get.
Yes.
Okay, we've removed the crown of the pineapple.
Yes.
Okay, and this is for faster peel. And here we go. Let us begin. Okay, this is how I usually peel the pineapple. Okay, let's get rid of the sides. Be careful. Okay. This used to be a burden for me, but now I kind of like it. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
There we go. It's that easy. Now we can take these little pieces out as well. Okay, from the pineapple and just slice it. Okay, there it is. And as you can see, the pineapple is pretty ripe, which makes it quite juicy. Okay, here we go. Let's slice it up. And I'm going to cut these little ones a little thinner for decoration to pour into the
Jar.
serving
The serving.
stein that we're going to use.
There we go. There we
Yeah,
go.
or the glass,
Yeah.
either or. Okay, we'll put those to the
the
side.
side.
Those are going to be our decoration slices. Okay, these are the ones that we're going to cut into 6 pieces so that we can make it easier for our blender to blend them. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. I love the smell of pineapple.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's put it into the blender. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and also add a lime.
Yes.
A full lime. Okay, let's squeeze it in there. This gives it an amazing taste.
Oh yeah.
This is one of the secrets. And here we go with 2 cups of water. Okay, for this amount of pineapple. There you go, 2 cups of water. And this is optional. This is regular sugar, but you guys are welcome to add the other sweeteners, depending on your taste, okay, your preference. But this is half a cup of sugar. This is the brown sugar, okay, just to help it out. Just going to add that much, not too much, so it doesn't come out too sweet.
Sweet.
But here we go. Let's blend it. Okay.
Alrighty.
Wonderful.
And we also want to check the consistency, right, Mom?
That is correct. It cannot be too thick or too thin. When liquidy. Okay, this is the consistency you want to achieve. Okay, and it tastes awesomely, wonderfully delicious. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pour some little pieces of pineapple, a nice big piece of ice. Okay, it can also be the little briquettes of ice. That's fine. I have a big piece right here because I love the way it just freshens it up. Okay, and here's the other big piece of ice. I also added a little wheel of lime to give it some more of that lime taste. And of course, decoration. There we go. Look at this, my friends.
That is
my
delicious.
goodness. Refreshing, delicious, healthy. Like I said, you can use the sweetener of your choice. But it's something that, it's as natural as it can be when it comes to the pineapple. Let's keep making it look pretty with another wheel of sliced lime pineapple, and here is the straw.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's ready.
Ready to drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Now, can people... There we go. That was going to be the next option. You can definitely use that, right,
This
Mom?
is mineral water.
Yes.
Okay? And right before we drink it, we can add a little bit to give it a bubbly, delicious taste.
There we go.
Okay. Okay.
And I
This
think-
is a secret right there.
Yes.
Cheers, everyone.
Yes.
Salud.
Hopefully you guys enjoy this delicious and refreshing drink. And please follow us here on City Cooking. And we'll see you guys next time.
Blessings to all.